So growing on Instagram is not as easy as it used to be, and a follow is worth a lot more than it was a year ago. And now there's a lot more tips and strategies to grow on Instagram really fast that not a lot of people are talking about. So in this video, I'm going to be putting everything that it took me to grow a fresh Instagram account from 0 to 1,000 followers in a little under a week. And obviously completely organic, by the way. So I'm going to be splitting this video into two different parts. In the first part, we're going to be getting your page ready to grow on Instagram. And in the second part, we're going to start giving you guys the crucial tips to grow really fast and get that engagement to your page. So starting off the video, we're going to go over some red flags and what you should absolutely avoid doing on your page. So first things first, most people already know this, but in case I have to tell you again, stay away from any apps or third-party services that have to do with your Instagram page. No following apps, no unfollowing apps, or any apps that take any sort of action or have you log into your page whatsoever on Instagram. Just don't do it. So if you're using an Instagram app, Instagram knows that you're doing that and they know exactly what you're doing and that you have an app or whatever third-party service that you're using. And most of the time, this is gonna affect your engagement and probably either get you shadow banned or permanently banned. Long before I even made this YouTube channel, I used to do Instagram theme pages just more as a hobby, not anything profitable or whatsoever, and I didn't have any big pages, but I actually got one of my pages permanently banned by using an unfollowing app. So after I did follow for follow and was following the max amount of people, I used an app that unfollowed everybody, and then first it asked me to change my password because my account was compromised, and then a day later I woke up with no Instagram account. So it didn't affect me that much because like I said, it wasn't a major account, but I don't want any of you guys' big accounts or accounts that you're starting and want to grow into a future brand. I don't want to see any of your accounts get banned just by making a silly mistake of downloading an Instagram app. Don't buy followers. I couldn't even tell you how many people have asked me to either buy them followers or to help them find the best website to buy followers on, and deep down it kind of hurts me because I know how bad it is for your engagement and I know it can completely ruin your page. Don't ever buy bot followers, don't ever buy bot likes or engagement, comment, whatever it is. If you have to pay money, don't buy it unless it's like a shadow or something on Instagram. And buying any engagement at all, it will probably get your account banned. If you've been subscribed for a little while, I actually made a video of me buying followers on Instagram, and after I bought the followers on that page, I gave it away to one of my subscribers, and literally within the next 24 hours the account was disabled because Instagram knew that you bought followers. So don't do it, red flag. Okay, so now your page is ready to start growing on Instagram, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the tips that will grow your account pretty fast and get you that 1,000 followers in 1 week on Instagram. So the first major tip to getting 1,000 followers in 1 week on Instagram is really getting the hang of and utilizing follow for follow. Now a lot of people say that follow for follow is dead and you can't really use it to grow on Instagram anymore, but that's just because they're not doing it right. It can actually be one of the biggest and most helpful tools to growing on Instagram in 2021 even. I probably started 2 or 3 Instagram pages in 2021 alone, and I've used follow for follow on every single one of those and they've been doing really well. Never had any action blocks, no shadow bans, nothing negative happening to the page whatsoever, and that's just because I know how to use follow for follow, and after this video you will too. So the biggest mistake regarding follow for follow that most people do is they just go into a random Instagram page, click on the followers, and just start following random people that follow that page, and that's the reason that it doesn't work for anybody, because that's not how you do it. And you want to find an Instagram page in your niche anywhere from 5 to 50,000 followers, because you know it's not old and it's still getting good likes and it's relatively new in the Instagram game. And you're going to try to find about 5 to 10 of those Instagram pages within your niche from 5 to 50,000 followers, and you're going to keep going through each page, refreshing them, and find one that's posted within the last 20 minutes. And then what you're going to want to do after they've posted and gotten a couple likes, you can click on the number of likes that the post has, and Instagram will tell you every single person who liked that post. And since that post was posted within the last 20 minutes and it's already getting likes and comments, you're going to follow everybody who's liked that post. And this is your crucial target audience because these are the people that are active on Instagram at this very moment, and you have a really big chance of them following you back. And this is how I've gotten my over 50% follow back ratios on Instagram just by doing this strategy. And you can get really lucky finding posts that were posted within the last 10 minutes and everybody's still on their phone on the Instagram app and they're probably going to follow you back. So the next tip for this video is to find viral posts in your niche and just repost those. So the way you're going to find posts that went viral in your niche is you're going to find other pages, like I said before, within 5 to 50,000 followers, and then you're going to go ahead and scroll through their feed and find their average median number of likes per post. And for the sake of this video, let's just say their average number of likes per post is around 500, and you're going to scroll through their feed looking for all the posts, and the average is going to be 500. So it's going to be 500, 550, 450, 600, and then randomly there's going to be a spike and you're going to see a post with like 5,000 likes. And then from there, all you need to do is just screenshot that post, copy the same hashtags that they use, and just repost it to your page. And if it already worked once for them, there's going to be a bigger chance of it working again for you. The second way to find viral posts on Instagram is going through hashtags. So pick out a couple hashtags in your niche that's really related to what you post on Instagram, and pick about 2 to 3 hashtags with under 1 million posts, because after you get above that million post mark, it's going to be really hard to find viral posts because everybody's going to have viral posts because it's going to show you the biggest accounts in your niche. So find one under a million, preferably 100 to 300,000 followers, and then just scroll through all the posts in the hashtag until you find one that blew up. And then after you find that, just repost it. So I'm going to keep this video super short and sweet for you guys. I just gave you 2 to 3 tips and helped you guys get your page ready to grow on Instagram. If you guys need any more help at all, you guys can join my Discord server, which is first link in the description, or you can just DM me on Instagram at EthanKING on Instagram for one-on-one kind of help, and I can teach you guys what you need, and I can answer any questions personally that you may have. Also, I respond to all comments. So make sure you guys drop a like, subscribe for helping you guys out with your Instagram page, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.